Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. My name is Teacher Aviora. Can you hear me?
Yunso.
Yes, here. Can you hear me? Can you hear? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. Good. So, my name is Aviora. Let me put that in the chat. Okay. Teacher Aviora.
Yes.
What is your name?
You. My name is Yunso.
Ah, yes, Lee Yunsol. Okay. So, can I call you Yunsul?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, Yunsul, how old are you? How old are you? Your age.
10.
Ah, you're 10. Okay. Or you can say, I'm 10 years old. Can you say that? I'm. Can you repeat after me? I'm
I'm
10
10
years old.
years old.
Very good. I'm 10 years old. What do you like? Do you like food? Do you like to eat foods? Food. What food do you like? Food.
Uh,
Let me wait a minute. Food? Like, do
food.
you like, um, wait a minute. I'm trying to,
Yes.
Mhm. What food do you like? Food. What kind of food?
Mm,
Like, you like to eat meat or soup? Like jjigae, stew,
rice. Rice.
rice, right? Okay. How about music? Do you like music? Like Korean music, K-pop?
Mm, K-pop.
Ah, favorite group. Who is your favorite group? Korean group. Girl group,
Mm,
boy group.
oh, yes.
Okay, you like.
Mm, Two.
Ah, okay. Or you can say I like K-pop. Can you say
I
that?
like I like K-pop.
Okay, very good. Yun, so do you like English?
Mm,
Yes or no? Yes or no?
no, no.
No, you don't
Yes.
like. Okay, what subject in school do you like? Do you like math? Do you like Korean? What subject? Science? Your favorite subject? Like your favorite subject, math? Do you like math? History? Science?
History.
Ah, history. Okay. Okay, can you say, I like history?
I
I
like
like.
I like history.
Okay, good. That's it. Correct. So, by the way, Yunso, how are you doing today? How are you?
Good.
Good. Okay, that's good. Did you eat dinner? Dinner, food.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so as we can see here, you have your book, right? Do you have your book? We're going to use,
Yeah.
title is, it is autumn. Wait, let me see. Let me share my screen. Wait.
Um.
Let me know if you see it.
Oh,
The sc-
yes.
okay, good.
Yes.
Okay. So you already finished reading the book?
Yes.
Okay. So we have here, the first page is about the moon, right? So what do you think is the shape? What's the shape of the moon? It's
That 달.
the shape. This is the shape. The moon is, what is this shape?
Moon.
Yes, it is a moon. So it is round. Round.
Round.
Okay, can you repeat again? Round.
Round.
Okay. Is the moon big or small? Is it big or small?
Big.
Okay,
Big.
big. Correct. And what do you see when you go outside? What do you see? This is the moon is, what's the color? Color.
Yellow.
Very good. Okay, this one. What do you see outside? What do you call this? Do you see the screen?
Oh. Mm,
What do you call
blue.
this?
Blue. Black.
Okay. Okay, these are stars, right? On page three, what do you call this?
Height. Height.
Kite?
Yes.
Ah, okay. You think it's a kite. Okay. You can also make a kite that shapes like a star. But this one, you call this stars. Okay. These are stars. Can you repeat? These are. Just repeat after me. These
Stars. Is
are
are
stars.
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 Star.
Okay. What are stars? They are bright. Bright. Yes.
Bright.
Correct. Mm. Do you like stars? Do you like to see stars, Yansol? Do you like to
Yes.
see the stars? Okay, so you like stars. It's very bright, right? When you look outside, it's bright. Okay, so wait, let me erase this. Going to erase. Let's have the next page. Okay, like
What?
page. I think we're going to have the next page here. Wait a minute.
No.
Okay, page 4. Can you see the book? What color are the leaves?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay. Do you like yellow color?
Yes.
Okay. And how about on page 5? How many ants are there? I want you to guess. Can you count? Count. How many ants we have? Let's count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
8.
How many ants on the ground?
Yes.
How many? There are 8 ants.
And
Can you repeat after me? There are
there are
8 ants.
eight and
Okay, very good. Let's have the next one. Wait. Okay, this one. What do you see in the sky? What do you see?
sky.
Yes, what do you see? You see? What are these? They are page 6. We are on page 6. What do you see? These are
Uh,
kites.
kite.
Okay. Do you like kites, Yunsol?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. So these we have different kites, right? This is a butterfly kite. Do you know how to make a kite?
Mm,
Do you know? How to make?
No.
I
No.
know. It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay. Okay, but as long as you know or you like kites. Okay, how about on page 7? Have you seen bubbles? Bubbles. Bubbles.
Bubble.
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
These
Yes.
are bubbles. Do you like bubbles?
I like bubble.
Okay, very good. So they are playing bubbles. Can you repeat? They are, again, they are, repeat,
They are
playing
playing
bubbles.
bubble.
Okay, very good. Okay, that's that. So we're talking about autumn, right? Do you know
Autumn.
what autumn?
음, 가을이 좋아. 아,
Autumn. Autumn.
autumn.
Yes. You like
autumn.
autumn? Do you like autumn?
Yes.
When you go outside, what's the color of the leaves when it's autumn?
음,
They are like yellow, right? Different colors of leaves. Okay, we have here vocabulary. The
bright.
words,
Bright.
yes, bright. Can you read this one? Oops, let me delete that. Can you read? What is this?
음,
Can you see
autumn.
the, okay,
autumn.
this, okay, again, autumn, autumn,
autumn.
much better. Autumn, and we have bubbles,
Bubble.
kites,
Kites.
leaves.
Leaves.
Hmm. Okay, what else? Moon.
Moon.
What is the shape of the moon? The
Moon.
moon is shape. You know what shape? Like circle, square, shapes. What's the shape?
음,
It's round. Round.
round.
It's the moon.
Round.
Okay, can you repeat for me? Can you say the moon is round?
Moon is round.
Okay. And what's the color of the moon again, Yunso?
Yellow.
Oh. And stars. Can you say stars?
So,
Yes.
mm, yellow.
Yes. Okay. And stars are bright. Bright.
Bright.
Okay. If you have time, can you look outside? Do you see stars outside? Do you see stars outside?
Uh,
Can you see the stars outside or no? There are no stars.
uh,
You cannot see
mm,
stars.
no.
No
Yes.
stars? Okay. Or you
No,
can
no.
say, okay, if there are stars, you can say, I see stars.
I see star.
Okay. If you see the moon, if you can see the moon, you can say, I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I see. Okay, that's why see. Okay. So you like stars and you like playing kites?
Um, no.
No? You don't like kites?
Yes.
Okay. You can say I like playing kites. I like
I like
playing
playing
kites.
kites.
Okay. That's it. So you like to play kites. So, Yunsol, I cannot see the next book, by the way. Wait a minute. Do you like autumn or what do you like? Do you like winter? You like summer, winter, like cold? Is when do you like winter or autumn?
Hmm?
Autumn, autumn. Do you like autumn?
Autumn.
Hmm, okay. Is autumn cold or not?
Cold.
Yes, cold, cold, cold.
Yes.
Mm, okay. See it? Or you can say autumn is cold.
Autumn is cold.
See? Okay, I cannot actually open the next book. Let's just skip the next book. Let me search. Okay, wait. How about this one? A hot summer day. Hot.
Hot.
Have hot. It's hot. Sweat, right? Sweating. Look at the picture. Can you see
Yes.
the yes? What is the girl doing? What she is? What is she eating?
Ice cream.
Yes. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
What's the flavor of ice cream? You like chocolate, vanilla?
Chocolate.
Okay. Or you can say, can you repeat for me, Yunso? I like chocolate ice cream.
I like chocolate ice cream.
Okay, good. So we have here summer, right? What is the sun? The sun is,
Sun.
yes, the sun is what? It's hot.
Hot.
Right? What are the kids wearing? Look at the picture. What are they?
Sunglass.
Yes. Do you have sunglass or sunglasses?
Yeah.
What's
Yeah.
the color? What's the color of your sunglass?
White.
White. Okay. Very good. You have to have sunglasses to protect your eyes. Okay. If there is no sunglasses and the hot sun, your eyes, you need to protect it. Okay. You need to wear sunglasses. Okay.
Okay.
How about the clouds? What is the color of the clouds? What's the color of the clouds?
Black.
Black?
Yeah.
Clouds? Look at the picture. What's the color?
Uh, White.
White. Okay. Are the clouds high or not? High, like very high. Are the clouds high?
No.
No. Okay, it's in the sentence. Can you read for me, Unsol? The clouds are high in the sky. The clouds are,
Or
again, the clouds
the cloud
are high
or high
in the sky.
in the sky.
Okay, very good. How many kids are there? How many kids? Do you see here, this one? How many kids? We have 1,
Yeah.
2,
2, 4,
3,
3, 4,
4. How many?
4.
4 kids. Okay, can you repeat after me? There are, there
Mm,
are, again,
2 or
there are 4
2 or 4
kids.
kids.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have the next page. Page 4. Where is the kid? What do you see? What is this? What is this?
Mm,
Where is the kid playing? She's playing on the kid, or she is playing on the
pool, pool, pool.
pool. Okay. Yes, it can also be a pool, but this one, page 4. The
Beach,
kid is playing on the beach.
beach.
Beach. Do you like the beach?
Yes.
Okay, very good. But anyway, yun, so time is finished. Okay? Yes.
Yeah.
I will talk to you again on Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay?
Wednesday. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, Yunsol. Have a
Thank
good night.
you. Good
Okay?
night.
Yes.
Yes.
Time is finished. Like, goodbye, Yunsol. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, good night.
Good night.